Calumet Farm's Bravazo danced just about every dance over his 4-year career, competing against Breeders' Cup and Eclipse champions and a Triple Crown winner. This year, the graded stakes winning $2 million earner retires to stud back at Calumet.
Yeah, Bravazo is a good-looking horse. He's got a fantastic-looking head, a nice top line to him for a horse again. Very attractive, a solid bloodline. He would be the first stallion to have been born, raised, and went off to the track for Calumet, and then return as a stallion. So he's pretty much a new chapter for Calumet under its new owner. Bravazo was such a hard-knocking horse. He started off with 5 races as in his 2-year-old campaign, breaking his maiden on the main track at Churchill, a second time out. Started his 3-year-old campaign in the Risen Star, winning. Just what he does best is coming down the stretch and leaving everything on the track. He's guts out, heart out, determined to get ahead, but leaving everything on the track. And that to me shows a lot of guts, a lot of will, and shows his character of what he's like. Bravazo's 3-year-old campaign was 11 starts, 8 of which were grade 1s, 5 of which he placed and showed in, which to me was one of the strongest 3-year-old crop of horses, including a Triple Crown winner. And to where Bravazo almost caught him at the wire. Bravazo's just one of those horses that showed up every day, played his heart out, got to the final line. Whether he won or not, he left everything on the track that he could give, and it showed in all the grade 1s that he ran in, and they were filled with champion horses, including a Triple Crown winner. He wasn't scared to run against the tough competition. We're so excited. Looking forward to getting him in the breeding shed and having his foals come next season. It's just someone that we're really happy to have here and start off as a new regime.
Thank you for watching our visit with Bravazo at Calumet Farm. Be sure to subscribe for more content from the TDN.